The role of the materials designer. Enith, Lara, Almario. What was the conception of materials development decades ago? The conception of materials development by teachers decades ago was very rare because they had a lot of non-authentic materials like books to teach to their students. Also, decades ago, the conception of teaching was different. That's why people only used to believe that the most important things was to do what the books used to say and to complete all the activities of those materials or books. What does developing materials demand from teachers? Give at least 6 demands and explain them. The first thing is to have clear objectives to achieve in the teaching process. Subsequently, teachers need creativity and ability to create their materials according to the needs of the students, which is important to know. Teachers also need to know the level of English of the students, the environment in which the student and the teacher interact, culture of the place and the likes and dislikes of the student to maintain their attention and ensure learning. What are the components of creating and adapting didactic learning materials? The components are needs assessment to permit us to know what we have and what we have not according to this. We can setting goals and objectives to evaluate contents, selecting and developing materials and activities, organizing contents and activities to realize evaluation, and to see resources and contents. In your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? In this case, I consider that the role of the teacher is helpful because the teacher must evaluate the materials available and then implement those that are the more suited to achieving the objectives proposed in the area. At this time, you have already evaluated the way your students learn and the materials that most appeal to them. All of this helps you prepare materials that are pleasing, easy to apply, and easy to understand, so they can deliver better results. This is the references. Thank you so much.